Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to split video from audio in CapCut. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to extract audio from a video using CapCut. First, open CapCut and start a new video project or open an existing one. Once inside, import the video you want to extract audio from. After it's loaded, right-click on a video clip, scroll through the menu, and select Extract Audio. You'll immediately see the audio separated from the video on your timeline. From here, you can move it, adjust its volume, delete it, or use it independently in another project. You can also trim the extracted audio, loop it, or add effects just like any other audio clip in CapCut. This method gives you full control over the audio without affecting your original video, making it easy to create background tracks, voiceovers, or just isolate the sounds you need. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.